how to contact Google Support live chat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into the process of accessing Google Support through the live chat feature. This can be a valuable resource for those needing assistance with various Google services. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Support Chat and then hit enter. After you do this, you should see a list of options related to chat support. Click on the one that specially mentions chat support and you will be directed to the appropriate page. I stumbled on this live chat feature while I was exploring the different support options available on Google. It's quite interesting how it works. For instance, if you enter a specific issue such as suspended account into the chat dialog box, you will receive information that it explains potential reasons for your account suspension. However, it is important to note that while this feature provides some insights, it doesn't offer detailed solution or direct assistance for your particular problem. It's also worth mentioning that this live chat feature is still in the development phase. Many users, including myself, are hopeful that Google will enhance this service in the future. Improvements could include a more responsive chat experience and better assistance tailored to individual issues, which would greatly benefit users seeking help. Thank you for tuning in, and I sincerely hope you found this video both informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and we will do our best to assist you further. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.